Hello viewers! Organizing a small kitchen can feel like a daunting task, but with the right hacks and DIY ideas, you can maximize your space and make it both functional and stylish. Whether you're dealing with limited counter space, a shortage of cabinets, or an awkward layout, these 10 small kitchen organization hacks will help you make the most of what you have. Let's dive in! Utilize vertical space with shelving. One of the best ways to organize a small kitchen is to take advantage of vertical space. Install open shelves above your countertops or even above your sink to store items like spices, small dishes, or decorative pieces. Shelving doesn't just add storage, it also gives your kitchen a more open and airy feel. Consider DIY floating shelves to customize the size and design to perfectly fit your space. Magnetic strips for knives and utensils. Magnetic strips are a game changer for small kitchens. Mount a magnetic strip on your backsplash or the inside of a cabinet door to hold your knives, metal utensils, or even small pots and pans. This not only frees up drawer space, but also keeps your most used items within easy reach. For a DIY touch, you can customize the length of the magnetic strip or paint it to match your kitchen's color scheme. Pull-out pantry or cabinet organizers. If your small kitchen has deep cabinets or a narrow pantry, you're likely familiar with the frustration of items getting lost in the back. Install pull-out organizers or sliding shelves to bring everything within easy reach. These organizers can be DIY'd with simple sliding hardware and customized to fit your cabinets perfectly. This hack not only increases accessibility, but also helps keep your items neatly arranged. Use clear containers and labels. When storage space is limited, it's crucial to keep everything organized and easy to find. Clear containers are a great way to store dry goods like pasta, cereal, and baking supplies. They not only keep your food fresh, but also allow you to see what you have at a glance, reducing clutter. Add DIY labels to these containers to give your pantry a cohesive look and make it easier to find what you need. Install a pegboard for pots and pans. Pegboards aren't just for tools. They can be a stylish and practical solution for organizing your kitchen too. Mount a pegboard on an empty wall and use hooks to hang pots, pans, and kitchen gadgets. This frees up cabinet space and keeps your cooking essentials within arm's reach. Customize your pegboard with paint or by adding small shelves or baskets for additional storage. Add a rolling cart. A rolling cart can be a versatile addition to a small kitchen. Use it as extra counter space, a portable pantry, or even a coffee station. When you're done, simply roll it out of the way. Many rolling carts come with adjustable shelves, so you can customize them to fit your needs. For a DIY project, consider repurposing an old cart or building one from scratch to perfectly match your kitchen's decor. In-cabinet door storage. The inside of your cabinet doors is often an overlooked storage area. Install hooks, racks, or small shelves on the inside of cabinet doors to store cutting boards, pot lids, or cleaning supplies. This is an easy DIY project that can significantly increase your storage space. For a more polished look, line the shelves with contact paper or paint them to match your cabinets. Over-the-sink cutting board. Counter space is precious in a small kitchen, so it's important to maximize every inch. An over-the-sink cutting board can double your prep space without taking up any additional room. You can purchase one, or for a DIY project, cut a wooden board to size and add handles or a groove for easy use. This simple hack allows you to prepare meals more efficiently, making the most of your limited space. Drawer dividers and organizers. Drawers can quickly become cluttered, especially in a small kitchen. Drawer dividers and organizers are essential for keeping everything in its place. Use dividers to separate utensils and consider adding small trays for spices, baking tools, or even small gadgets. For a DIY solution, you can create custom dividers using balsa wood or cardboard, cutting them to fit perfectly in your drawers. Hang a pot rack. If you're short on cabinet space, hanging a pot rack can be a stylish and functional solution. Mount it on the wall or ceiling to keep pots, pans, and even utensils within easy reach. Pot racks can be found in a variety of styles, from modern to rustic, and can be DIY-ed to fit your kitchen's aesthetic. Adding a pot rack not only saves cabinet space, but also adds a decorative element to your kitchen. Bonus tips for small kitchen organization. In addition to these 10 hacks, here are a few bonus tips to keep your small kitchen organized. Group similar items together. Store similar items together, like baking supplies, cooking utensils, or snacks. This makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your kitchen looking tidy. Keep counters clear. Avoid cluttering your countertops with too many appliances or decor. A clean counter not only looks better, but also gives you more space to work. Use light colors. Light colors can make a small space feel larger and more open. Consider using light-colored paint, tiles, or decor to brighten up your kitchen. Install under-cabinet lighting. Under cabinet lighting not only adds a modern touch to your kitchen, but also illuminates your workspace, making cooking and prep easier. Declutter regularly. Make it a habit to declutter your kitchen regularly. Get rid of items you no longer use and find ways to better organize the things you need. Conclusion: organizing a small kitchen can be challenging, but with these 10 hacks and DIY ideas, you can turn even the tiniest space into a functional and stylish area. Whether you're adding vertical storage, installing pull-out organizers, or creating DIY drawer dividers, these tips will help you make the most of your kitchen. Remember, the key to a well-organized kitchen is to keep it practical and personalized to your needs. So roll up your sleeves, get creative, and enjoy your newly organized small kitchen. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips.